Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's me Ruth here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log into Aol Mail from your PC. Now without further ado, let's start right into the video. To log into Aol Mail, firstly you need to open your preferred browser. As I have preferred to open Google Chrome. On the search bar, click over there and search Aol Mail login. And on the result of Google, here you can see Aol Mail. Click on that. And after that we are redirected to Aol login page. To log into your account, you will be required to enter your username, email address or mobile number. Then after that click on next. If you have forgotten your username, then click on forgot username and follow the procedures to retrieve your username. And on the next page you will be required to enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, then click on forgot password and follow the procedures to reset your new password. If you haven't created your Aol account, then click on create an account and follow the procedures to create your new account. And this is how we log in into Aol Mail from our PC. I hope this tutorial helps you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon. And thanks for watching.